Hello, when you work in Excel and you just want to copy the content in formatting but don't want to copy the formula, how? Excel will help you do that. Here I have two Excel files named Book 1 and Book 2. I will copy all the content from Book 2 to Book 1. As you can see, when copying normally, you copy the whole formula. In case you don't want to copy the formula, do the following. You create a new sheet on Book 1 and paste the content. Unlike usual, you choose to paste the content that does not include the above formula. With this method, you only copy the content, copy the settings, but not the formula. Good luck to you. Thank you for watching.